So now our espresso is ready for extraction. Before I insert into the group head and brew it, I'm just going to flush a little water through the group head. What that does is help stabilize the temperature of the group head, and it also is going to rinse out any coffee that we might have inside the group head. You can go ahead and insert and brew into some shot glasses. And when I engage the group head, I'm going to start my timer. I like to watch the time on my espresso shots, and I try to keep them at about 25 seconds, which is where I've found a lot of the time the best flavor in the shot is. Alrighty. And now you have 2 single shots of espresso in the espresso shot glasses, and you're ready to build the drink. So the next thing we're going to do is take 2 shots, and we have our 3-ounce demi-tasse cup. I'm just going to pour both shots into the demi-tasse. Sure all the crema drips in there. Now you have your 2 shots in the bottom of the shot glass, and we take our whipped cream. Just going to pour that on the top of the double shot. And that is a double espresso con Panna.